Namaste. Myself Dr. Shiv Kumar from Kochi, Kerala. I am an Ayurvedic practitioner. I am practicing in Shalya Tantra. I have clinic in Kochi where I am practicing for joint pain by Agnikarma treatment, which is a specialty treatment in Ayurveda according to Sushruta. So we know at present, because of lifestyle and because of the food habit, because of that sedative lifestyle, nowadays back pain and especially for female knee pain is very common, and there is no any effective treatment for that according to the present treatment schedule. So normally we are getting the patient who previously was taking treatment from modern medicine, allopathic medicine, where they are taking so many painkillers for a long time. Even some patients they are taking steroid, which is for long standing taking for that steroid, there will be so many different type of side effect. So when the patient is coming after a long time taking that medicine, when they are not getting any result, even that psychological involvement also is taking place. So in that situation, patient is seeking or searching for such any other treatment which there is no any side effect or effective as well. So in this situation, Agnikarma is a very good method of treatment, which being an Ayurvedic physician we are practicing, but we feel that there is some lacking. Though we are practicing Agnikarma, but there is some lacking, so that we are not getting a proper result which can be provided by the treatment. So I was searching for such a training or where we can get a scientifically way. By that way we can scientifically apply the Agnikarma for the benefit of patient. So I came to know about the Global Agnikarma Centre and I approached them, and after a long waiting I got a call from here. After giving an interview, I got selected and I came for a training session here. And after coming here, what was the concept of Agnikarma? Being a post-graduation in Shalya Tantra, but within these few days only, the total concept was changed completely. How scientifically the Agnikarma can be applied and how beautifully patient is getting benefit from this method. We are observing that practically here. Even completely scientifically, completely documentary, everything is there. Means for any patient where the modern pain specialist, neurosurgeon advise for surgery, but because patient is not ready to perform the surgery, so they are approaching here, coming here. Before that, some patient they are not able to walk even. They are carried by their family member, 2-3 family member by wheelchair. Even after one session of Agnikarma, they are going back by walking. Some patients they are crying because they are not able to perform their normal routine work. They are completely dependent on their family members. Even not only the patient, even family members, they are also involved in the disease. That is very important. So here not only patient, even their family also suffering from the problem. So when the patient is going back after taking treatment from here, patient as well as the full family, they are becoming so happy, so grateful by from this institution. Here that 4 very energetic experienced doctors are there who are treating the patient, who not only treating the patient, who are giving that scientifically way treatment very efficiently, very friendly to us. So we are very thankful for the institution, for all these young energetic doctors. I can suggest the Ayurvedic practitioners who really want to service for the society, this is a very good opportunity to learn a miracle method of managing the pain by Ayurvedic management, but completely scientifically. So definitely when a patient is coming a lot of pain, and after giving the treatment, when patient will go by laughing, I think we can't expect more than anything other than that laugh. So I will suggest all the Ayurvedic practitioners who really want to do something on the scientific base and for the society, for the suffering people, they can think about the Global Agnikarma Centre. They can come, they can contact them, they can come here. That short-term training session is available. They can contact them, they can come here, they can experience, they can learn the miracle method of pain relieving process of Ayurveda, and they can practice, they can give a very satisfactory result for the suffering people. Thank you very much.